worked out something special for you. A complete all body stretch yoga session to make you feel energetic throughout the day. Do practice along with me and try to practice daily. So let's get started. Come on your mats. If you want to feel good and you want to look good, do these daily stretches that work. Hi, I'm Upasana Khosla and I welcome you to your yoga channel, Sri Anand Yog Dham. In a yoga session, it is best to sit cross-legged. You may use a cushion under your hips if that makes you more comfortable. We just need to keep our spine straight and sit tall and erect. Fold your hands in Namaskar. Keep your eyes closed in most of the session as we try to maintain an inner connect with each asana. Let's begin by taking 5 deep breaths of gratitude for all that we are truly blessed with. Slowly raise your palms straight above your head, such that your upper arms touch your ears. Elbows remain straight. Feel your body stretch up tall and erect as you hold there for 5 breath counts. Return to starting position and, without disturbing the inner peace created, slowly lie down in Shavasana. Feet are 1.5 feet apart, hands slightly away from your body, palms facing upward. Feel your spine on the floor. Relax completely for about 30 seconds, shedding any physical, muscular or mental strain. Raise your hands up above your head as you stretch both upper and lower limbs in opposite directions. Maintain the Tadasana stretch for a few seconds and then come back to starting position, which is feet together, hands besides the body. Now fold your right leg. Bring it up towards your chest. Interlock your fingers below your knee. As you press the folded leg towards your chest, raise your head to touch it to your knee. Hold there for 5 breath counts. This is a stretch to release gases. Ardha Pavan Muktasana with single leg. Slowly release the posture as you get ready to repeat the same with your left leg. The breathing movement along with the applied pressure on the abdomen creates a gentle massage on your internal organs and facilitates healthy working of stomach, pancreas, liver, helping gastric, blood sugar, digestive problems and releases stuck-up gases. Relax in Shavasana for a few seconds only. After coming to starting position, fold both legs to bring your heels close to your hips. Hold your heels and slowly lift your middle body to arch it upward, creating a bridge. Feel the stretch on your abdomen, hips as you raise higher. Squeeze those hips higher and higher. Hold for 5 breath counts. You may increase the hold as per your personal capacity. The bridge pose yoga stretch or Shetubandh Asana strengthens the abdominal muscles, spine and back. As the chin touches the base of your neck,
It activates the thyroid glands. An excellent all-body stretch. Slowly release as you rest your back on the mat. This feels good. Now return to Shavasana and lie there for a few seconds only as we get ready for our next stretch. Bring your feet together, keeping your hands besides your body. Slowly lift your right leg, stopping at 30 degrees. Hold there for 5 breath counts. Now lift to 60 degrees and hold there for 5 breath counts. Take it up to 90 degrees. Hold there for 5 breath counts. This is Ardha Halasana with single leg. Breathing remains normal. Hold your thighs and without bending at the knees, press the leg towards your chest. Feel the stretch on your hip joint. Release and slowly bring the leg down and get ready to repeat the practice with your left leg. As you learn to control the movement and hold at various angles, this stretch helps maintaining good mind connect as it stretches your hip muscles, strengthens the knees, tones the legs and works the abs as well. Gives good blood supply to your upper body. Release and slowly bring the leg down in the same manner as you lifted your leg. This time first holding at 60 degrees and then at 30 degrees. Relax in Shavasana for a few seconds only. After resting for a few moments, open your arms shoulder level. Fold your legs, keeping them close to each other. As you twist your spine to place your legs on the right side of your body, turn your neck to the left side. Make sure your left knee is over the right knee, your toe is over the toe, and heel is over the heel. Hold there for 5 breath counts as you feel the stretch on your left side. Slowly come to center and repeat on the opposite side. This yoga stretch is Kati Vakra Asana. Excellent spinal twist. Excellent for spine, back issues, neck and shoulder issues, and to curve that waistline. Now open the feet and knees shoulder distance. Twist your spine to place your legs on the right side of your body on the floor, such that your left knee touches the heel of the right leg. Hold for 5 breath counts. Repeat on the other side. Relax in Shavasana for a few seconds as you observe the after effects of the spinal twist. Now fold your legs and place them on your mat borders. Place your palm inverted next to your ears. Gently lift your body to make the wheel pose. Excellent full body stretch. The hips, legs, spine, shoulders, neck, arms, abdomen. Every part feels this wheel pose yoga stretch. Makes the body strong and increases the flexibility of your spine. Hold there for 5 counts or as per capacity. Feel the asana. Slowly bring yourself down to touch the mat. Lie down in Shavasana as you feel the after effects of the asana. After you have rested in Shavasana, turn on your abdomen, which is the prone position. Spread your legs wide, heels turned inwards. Hands stretched above your head. Place elbow over elbow. Now place your right palm over your left shoulder and your left palm over your right shoulder. Place your head in the space created with your arms. The crocodile pose or Makarasana is a traditional relaxing asana in prone position and is excellent for abdominal muscles, hips, upper back and shoulders. Excellent for the working of your abdominal organs. After relaxing in the traditional Makarasana stretch, place your forehead on the mat and get your palms a little below your shoulders. Feet remain together. Slowly raise your upper body from the navel only. Do not exert pressure on your palms. Hold there for 5 breath counts. Breathe. Feel the stretch of the Bhujangasana. The impact is maximum on the lumbar spine, chest and abdomen. Slowly bring your forehead on the mat. Be there for a few moments. Once more, raise your head and straighten your elbows just like a cobra raising its hood. Hold. The cobra pose opens the shoulder blades and chest area. It expands the thoracic cage and improves lung space for more oxygen. Just feel it. The spine stretches from the tailbone till the neck region, giving it both strength and flexibility. Stretches abdominal muscle as well. Release and relax in simple balak or child pose on any one side for a few seconds. Once more, lie on your abdomen. Stretch your arms over your head. Now lift your legs and your hands to get the boat pose stretch. Do not hold your breath at any junction. Feel your entire body weight on your abdominal area as you hold in the asana for 5 breath counts. Stretch your entire body in opposite directions. Slowly release and just be there for a few seconds before we go into the next asana. Fold your legs towards your hips and hold your right ankle with your right hand and left ankle with your left hand. Now stretch your legs upwards by pulling them with your hands. This is the bow pose or Dhanur Asana. Feel the stretch and the effect of your body weight on your abdomen area. Excellent full body stretch to strengthen the body and make it more agile and flexible. After holding for 5 breath counts, release the posture. Feel the after effects of the asana as you relax in child pose. While getting up, follow this simple method. First, turn over to your left side, making a pillow with your elbow. Relax there for a few seconds. This facilitates good blood supply to your heart region. Place your right palm in front of your body and exerting pressure on it, slowly come in sitting position. Place your right foot in front of your left leg. Bring your right palm next to it and exerting pressure on your palms, slowly begin to rise up in standing position. Open your legs a little more than shoulder distance. Open your arms shoulder level. Twist your torso and touch your right palm to your left foot, trying to look at your opposite palm, which is high up in the air. Feel your sides stretch. This is the triangle pose yoga stretch, Trikona Asana. Slowly come back to the center and repeat on the opposite side in the same manner. Stand with your feet together. Lift your left leg and pull it upward to as much as you can. Stretch your right arm upward. Try to maintain your balance in this stretch, or then initially you may take support. Repeat with your right leg. This is Nataraj Asana. It helps improve mental and emotional balance, as well as it strengthens your legs, arms, abs, spine, making them more flexible. Feet are slightly apart. As you begin to raise your arms above your head, raise your heels as well and stand on your toes. Stretch your body tall and erect. Excellent stretch to improve posture and height. Tadasana stretch in standing position. While I am demonstrating single sets of each asana, you may practice 2 sets of each asana for better results. Slowly come back and sit down. Sit erect with your legs stretched before you. Fold your right leg. Place the palm of your right hand on the mat behind your spine. Use your left elbow to gently push your knee so as to hold your right ankle. Twist your upper body such that your shoulders are parallel to your right knee. Sit erect and look over your right shoulder. Hold for 5 breath counts. Release each step in the same manner in the reverse and repeat with the left leg on the left side. This is the spinal twist Vakrasana. Excellent for spine strength, flexibility, kidney and digestive disorders, constipation, shoulder and neck related problems. Once again, sit in your comfortable sitting posture, making the Gyan Mudra. The next stretch, popularly known as Brahma Mudra, has its name derived from Lord Brahma with 4 heads. Excellent for focus, concentration, and any neck issue. Slowly turn your head to the right. Try to align the chin parallel to the right shoulder. Hold for 5 breath counts. Bring your head back to the center as we turn to the left side. Hold for 5 breath counts. Return to the center and slowly bend your neck backwards. Make sure not to change your body alignment. Stretch that neck as much as you can. Hold for 5 breath counts. This stretch activates your thyroid glands at the base of your neck. Slowly come back to the center. Now bend your neck forward such that your chin touches the base of your neck. Feel the touch as you continue to activate your thyroid and parathyroid glands. Hold for 5 breath counts. Slowly return to the center. Breathing remains normal. Remain in silence with the after effects of the practice. Now, for some breath training. Kapalbhati cleaning kriya. Kapalbhati to be practiced for 2 minutes. You can do 20 strokes if you are a beginner, slowly increasing your practice. the round, remain with the after effects of Kapalbhati before you begin the next breathing practice, alternate breathing or Anulom Vilom. स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।